Alright, hey guys, it's, Laurie here, and today I am going to be exposing Emily Revis for the shit she has done to Abigail. And fucking traumatized her, so, yeah. And, for some reason, she has been a little bit of a bitch lately. Like, I don't fucking understand how she, would do something like that. Like, y'all be, like, taking a shit on this, but, she is way worse than T-Dog, and also, she has done something really shitty, pretty much, and also, she changed Abigail's life into something shitty. She and Emily, used to be friends, but I realized that what Emily has done had done way worse. She has used Abigail for popularity. Because Abigail was basically more popular than Emily back then. And I don't know why the fuck she would do this. And Abigail's mom does not like Emily anyways because of how she was a bitch to her. Like, Emily would throw something at Abigail and then she would start crying. And I wanted to know what the hell is going on. Like, Abigail's boyfriend has hated Emily as well. Emily has also been a bitch to me and literally doesn't fucking understand the sad truth. Like, there might be some evidence of her being a dumbass. And, like, I have proof of Emily playing the victim. She basically played the victim so she can escape from her wrongdoings. And I don't know why. This gets shitty. I don't understand why the fuck Emily would do something like that. I don't understand why Emily would do this. Like, she does not have the right to bully Abigail. That's why Abigail put a restraining order on Emily, so she can stay away from Abigail for good. That means no bullying, no nothing. And also, I already exposed her anyways for being a dumbass to Abigail. And Emily was like, I want to be alone. I don't want to be her friend anymore. Our friendship ended officially. You took it too far, Abigail. Oh, and don't add me back or I'll block you too. She acts like a drama queen, basically. I don't want to talk. Her friend made me cut myself. I have a gun already. I could pull the trigger right now. I was being attacked. Louis stood up for me. I did nothing. I cried and she laughed. So I'm not the one to blame. No, you fucking bitch. That did not fucking happen. Yeah, she's a dumbass though, but like, go off. I don't understand why she would do something like this. I don't understand why she would do something like this. That is not okay. Emily has done nothing to help this little shit. I hope she gets this message saying that she is a fucking bitch. in conclusion, Emily should not be near Abigail anymore. And also, the next time she tries to play the victim, I'm fucking done with Emily. She ruined my friendship. She had fucking annoyed me in ELA. And not only did she annoy me in ELA, she also annoyed everyone else in ELA in the class she originally went before she went to another ELA class. She always acts like a fucking kitty cat in class. And also, she was basically trying as hard as she can to put in fake names. But yeah, she is basically a bully to Abigail, but more of a bitch to me, because she always has a rudeness. When I ask her what's wrong, she doesn't want to talk about it to me. Sometimes she does talk about it to me, but sometimes she doesn't. That's a new bitch move she did. I don't understand why she would do this. I don't know what to say, but this game is in Russian. I don't understand why this little shit named Emily would do something like this. Using Abigail for her popularity, being a bitch to Abigail, playing victim, etc. She is way worse than T-Dog and Callum. And I'm not gonna lie when I say this, but she also does online dating as well, and she did do real life dating too. But I don't know how many times she has done real dating. Maybe, I'm not sure, like, once she's older, like, she's 15 right now, but she is more of a bully. And she laughed at Abigail crying. Abigail has feelings, too. So the next time Emily tries to get near us again, she's going to regret it. I'm not sure what to say, but like, Emily, if you are watching this, stop trying to think you're the victim in this situation on what you did. You tried to avoid the situation on what you did to Abigail. Also, Abigail has more flaws and morals than you do. She is more mature than you, and you're so immature to the point that all you would do is annoy us. Oh, and Ethan Sincata said you're annoying, Emily. He said you act like a 2-year-old and that you should wear diapers. Like, we were all annoyed with your shit. We had enough of your shit, so you went to a different fucking class in 8th grade, and now that we're in 10th grade, I don't know what to say anymore. After what Emily has done, I'm not gonna be her friend anymore. She is not worth the pain that she's given to us. Like, also about the electrocution thing, it's bullshit. And because of that, Emily has gotten suspended, I don't know how many times. But yeah. I don't know what to say about this anymore, but like, I don't know what to say anymore after this. But Abigail, if you're watching this, don't listen to what Emily says. She's just trying to make you look dumb. Anyways, that's all I have to say. This is Laurie, over and out. Goodbye!